Wanna know how to fix your login error on your Snapchat app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store. Tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Insert here TikTok and search for this particular app. Tap on TikTok. You will get an option of update next to TikTok on the plus of open if you haven't updated your app yet. This could be the very first reason of you facing the login error, and if you get an option of update, tap on update and make your app updated. This will definitely help. And the second one is to go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down. Tap on Apps below Battery and Performance. Tap on Manage Apps below System App Settings. Tap on the search bar and insert here TikTok. On the bottom, you have 3 of the options, that is Force Stop, Uninstall and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache below Clear All Data. Tap on OK next to Cancel. So you have successfully cleared all of the cache that was on your TikTok. So your app is all healthy and fresh to use it. This could be the very second reason of you facing the login error. And if it was, it will definitely help you overcome it. And the third one is to drag your app and make it uninstall. And then go back to your Play Store once again and install. So reinstalling it would also definitely help. So this was the third one. So I have just told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure this will definitely work. So go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.